It would be a nice idea to replace these, but of course BMW doesn't sell these separately, and you'll need to buy the complete hose, and that's stupid. But it is what it is. Of course you can source the correct size based on the dimensions of the plastic connector inner diameter and then the diameter of the oil filter housing connector. But then you have to consider the tolerances and everything, so I would appreciate if someone would know the exact size of the O-ring.
Terve! Back in BMW. In this short video I will explain you how I found the information about the coolant quick connectors O-ring sizes. So let's have a look under the hood. So BMW has these quick connector coolant hose connectors basically all around the engine bay. So how I found the O-ring size. In most of these connectors there is a marking on one side NW and then there's a number. So for example here it's NW8, and then there are different markings, for example here in the radiator inlet and also in the the oil cooler housing or the oil filter housing, and in the thermostat expansion tank. I think here you can see best the markings. So it says NW16. So let's take a look what internet says about this. So I ended up in IQ Parts webpage and there I could find Norma Quick PS3 quick connector with the NW32 size. So this is a reference for the radiator connector, and yeah, I found some interesting information here. So here you can see the PDFs for the drawing and the technical documentation, and here take a look. So the O-rings are made of EPDM with peroxide cured, so these are usually referred as a EPDM PC. And then from the drawings I could verify that the sizes do match to the ones from the car. And here on the drawing on the upper corner you can see the O-ring dimensions. And then I went and bought a few of these, and obviously you can look for all the different sizes from this page.
If I just need to replace the O-rings, I can find the O-rings separately without buying the whole hoses. Obviously we are quite extended the lifetime already by replacing the O-ring. The support ring shouldn't be separate. By the drawings it's friction welded inside here, and now because it's loose it's not 100% perfect anymore, but it's not going to move anywhere because we have the wire here that keeps the connector in place, and the slight movement it's still allowed by the tolerances of the groove and this thing here.